और हमने आपको लास्ट व्लॉग में घुमाया था
जून वेकफुल
और अभी हम आए हैं कॉन्वेट लेक। तो आइए हमारे साथ, आपको हम घुमाते हैं कॉन्वेट लेक। और अभी हम जा रहे हैं कॉन्वेट लेक का ये ट्रेल करने, which is 0.3 miles.
Let's go.
Come with us.
We are going to show you beautiful nature.
What, they made mountains?
See, story of mountains around you began 500 million years ago, when sand and gravel washed off an ancient continent and built up the layers beneath the vast ocean. Ooh, so this one was built up.
Wow.
This is the nice one. Really cool. You wanna jump?
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. Oh,
Wow.
this is the beautiful lake.
Daddy, can you take my pictures?
Wait 1 second. Yes, let's take a picture. You want to take a picture?
Yes.
You want? Look here, baby.
So this is the spot you can click your pictures. यहाँ पर हम अमिश के पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर रहे हैं with कॉन्वेट लेक व्यू। सुपरमैन पोज।
Good job.
Robin, can I see your pictures?
You want to see your pictures?
Look here.
Oh, it's so windy here.
No, Daddy, can you go?
Oh my God, Avish is telling angles to Daddy to click the picture.
Okay, photo. Cutie, cutie. We have to finish our trail. Come on, guys.
So this is for the wheelchair.
This is the deck they made.
Yeah, for wheelchair accessible.
Fishing deck. Fishing deck, eh? Na?
Like most of the lakes you cannot do fishing, but in this lake they allow to fishing.
It's so clear, na?
But there is no fish here. So how can they do fishing?
They may come.
They are hiding somewhere. Full of greenery,
Just keep doing hiking.
nature walk.
Wow. See?
Lot of green plants.
Okay, we are here
Sharma family.
doing trail. There's a portal. I was told there is a portal
To Switzerland.
to Switzerland. we can directly go to Switzerland from
It's
here.
an imaginary. It's
Let's
an
go there.
imaginary portal.
No, it's a real portal.
Oh, we have a picnic table there. Did you bring any food for
Yes, sir.
for picnic?
I bought
What did you bought?
jacket,
I bought nothing.
I bought jackets, shoes, jeans,
But you can't eat the shoes, right?
glasses.
Hi, trail.
It's a 0.3 mile trail.
Oh, this is the log, right? Video, somebody went over this log and they clicked the video in that one.
It was Jordan.
No,
No, this is dangerous to go
one
there.
lady. We step on this one and go right to there.
Yeah, some people do that, but it's risky. See, speedboat,
Salt.
speedboat. People doing speedboat. Walk in nature.
Oh, buddy.
Where's the birdie?
Look at it.
Oh, yes. I think woodpecker, I think. There's another picnic table there. You can drive all the way up there.
Hey, Daddy, do you have any food?
Food?
Yes.
What do you food? No, I don't have any food.
What? Yes, you do.
Oh, I think we have one bridge there. You wanna see the bridge? Let's go.
Oh no, school. Yay!
Sharma family
Having fun.
on vacation.
Doing trail.
And Mama twigs.
Oh, that's the way, right? I understand. That's the only trail we have. So yeah, this is the end of the trail.
Oh, हम लोग ऐसे बाय कार भी आ सकते थे।
Yeah, we can come through the car.
कार एंड वी कैन पार्क
Park here. Then, but view तो वहीं से आता है ना, main view.
You can stop the car, you can see the view and then you can
Yeah, you can go.
come by a car if you want. It's a long trail if you want. If you want to go all the way, you can.
All the way down? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. People are
It's
going.
like a walk around the lake.
Yes. Yeah, you can do the whole loop walk, na? Pura
Yeah.
Convict Lake.
Okay.
Let's
Time
go
to go
back.
back.
Come on.
Because we went GoPro.
We are going back now.
Yeah, going back.
Let's go. Hey, I think there's a stairs there.
Yeah, if somebody want to go and want to click the picture with the.
We can go.
Daddy, let's go to the photo to Switzerland.
Switzerland. We are back from the trail.
Yeah, we are back from the trail.
Oh, there's still mosquitoes.
It's not
There are a
mosquitoes.
lot of flies here.
It's flies.
There are a lot of flies.
Oh, there was so much flies.
Flies on the trail. Oh my god. यहाँ पर ये ब्रिज है, ब्रिज के इधर आप कर सकते हैं फिशिंग और यहाँ से आ रहा है ये व्यू।
To the lake.
Flies.
Flies.
और ट्रेल के साथ साथ हैं बहुत सारी फ्लाइज।
Yes.
There's so many flies over there.
We should say be careful in the trail because there are a lot of
There are
flies.
a lot of flies.
And they can also come in your mouth.
आज है हमारा डे 2 इन मेहमत और आज का दिन हमने 3 व्लॉग्स में डिवाइड किया है। आप हमारे 2 व्लॉग्स ऑलरेडी देख चुके होंगे जहाँ पर हम लोग गए थे जून लेक लूप, उसके बाद हमने आपको दिखाया है कॉन्विक्ट लेक और अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं
Hot Creek.
जियोलॉजिकल
Site.
साइट,
Yeah.
हॉट क्रीक जियोलॉजिकल साइट। तो आपको घुमाते हैं हॉट क्रीक जियोलॉजिकल साइट।
Don't touch the water because it's toxic.
सो ये सिर्फ एक पिकनिक स्पॉट नहीं है, इट्स अ लाइव जियोथर्मल जोन। नीचे अर्थ के अंदर अभी भी वॉल्केनो हीट एक्टिव है। सो अभी इवनिंग टाइम हो चुका है, इट्स लाइक आफ्टर 6 PM और देखिए लाइट कितनी डिम हो गई है। हमने टाइम डिसाइड किया था बिकॉज हम यहाँ से सनसेट देखेंगे बट आज क्लाउडी वेदर है तो सनसेट व्यू नहीं आ पा रहा है। इवनिंग टाइम इज़ लाइक परफेक्ट टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर दिस अनबिलीवेबल जगह जहाँ एक नॉर्मल सी क्रिक के बीच से निकलता है बॉइलिंग हॉट वाटर डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम इनसाइड द अर्थ। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं नीचे। आविश, so this is the view coming from here and that's the hot boiling water। मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं वहाँ से वो स्टीम निकल रही है, तो वहाँ से वो एकदम हॉट स्टीम निकल रही होती है अर्थ के नीचे से और जो इवनिंग टाइम होता है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल टाइम होता है। बट
Boil हो रहा है ना देखो water।
या इट्स बॉइलिंग वाटर कमिंग आउट एंड इवनिंग टाइम होता है सबसे पीसफुल टाइम, कूल ब्रेज, सॉफ्ट लाइट और हर जगह से निकलती स्टीम। इट फील्स लाइक वॉकिंग इन अ ड्रीम। So beautiful, but you cannot touch this water. It is a hot boiling water and you can see the steam
coming out of it.
Steam coming out from inside.
वो boil हो रहा है उधर ना water एकदम।
And it's me, Alice again.
Yeah. This is boiling.
Yeah, this is hot boiling water.
Look at the water. Look at the water paddles were green, now it's yellow.
Yep.
इसी के साथ हम एंड करते हैं अपना ये ब्लॉग। अगर आपको हमारा ब्लॉग पसंद आया है तो
Please
प्लीज
like,
लाइक,
subscribe and share.
जल्दी मिलते हैं आपको न्यू ब्लॉग के साथ। बाय बाय।